Hey, this is Lori from Outback Motor Tech. Today I'm torture testing this bracket that we 3D printed. This is nylon 12 material, and its main purpose is to replace the OEM passenger foot pegs, clean things up a little bit here, as well as to tie a rackless luggage system to. So because it's made of plastic, although it's super light, but I would like to see how far we can push this. So that's what I'm doing today. So at that point, there was no mercy. It broke off. It was forcing the bracket down, and of course it will break. But it did pretty well, considering that this beast is close to 500 pounds, or like 230 kilos. All right, we still have the left side. Let's try a different angle. Okay, so you have witnessed the breaking point. Now you be the judge and tell us if you think it was impressive or it was poor, considering what you have seen and considering the fact that the bike is close to 500 pounds or 235 kilos in total. So thanks for watching this little experiment.